Hello everyone and welcome to our 2-minute video. Today's video is about going into Zoom meeting by using your laptop or your iPhone. You log into your laptop by pressing the start button, and once the computer loads up, you go into either Chrome, Google Chrome or Internet Explorer and open up Google. You go into Google and type in Zoom. As soon as you type in Zoom, you'll see the options underneath here. So you will click on to Zoom meeting because you're just going to access the meeting without having to download the application. So once you click onto meeting, you will see at the top menu bar here, you have host a meeting or join a meeting. You'll click join the meeting, and here you will see the box. How you join a meeting by typing in the ID in the ID box and clicking on to join. But if you actually want to use your iPhone, you will not be able to access it this way as you've done it through the laptop. So you have to download the app on your phone. There are two ways to do this. If you see this message on the internet screen, click on to download from App Store. It will take you straight onto the App Store, and you click on to get and it will download the app. Or you just go straight into App Store. Your iPhone, please click onto App Store. This window will open up. In the search area, you type in Zoom. It will open up Zoom Cloud Meetings first. You click on to get, and it will download the app on your iPhone. And on the home screen, like any other apps, you will see this icon, which is for Zoom. Hope you found today's video useful, and if you have any comments or any questions, please email me on tutor.cms1@gmail.com.